Okay.
No, just
you're gonna end up on.
I know the man said thing because he told me that they were gonna arrest me.
Take it off, or do you want to cut it off?
Due to Tamara.
On the 14th of April, 2024, police received a report from Walmart about a woman who had committed theft there. But for more details, let the store employee tell what had happened.
Yeah, this stuff is ours. It wasn't on bag or anything. That
was like on top on the.
Yeah, she had that on top of the shopping cart. This was but he was outside though. Yeah, he was already outside. I wonder where they went.
They probably lived with somebody.
They went into that community right next. They went in? Yeah, they went in the community. Like no, she's got a no, but she was with an older lady that looked like her.
She was with an older lady?
She's with an older lady that looks just like her but older. Oh. She's got to be in her 50s, 60s.
Okay. Along with the employee's description, the police quickly located the blue golf cart matching the suspect's getaway vehicle, and this was where their act began.
Are we all set?
Yeah, I mean, you were never not all set.
All right, no, it's cool. I don't mind having a conversation with you.
Yeah.
All right.
What's going on with the golf cart?
No,
it's not broken or anything?
No, it's my dad.
Is this your girlfriend here?
She's a friend.
Oh, just a friend. How are you doing? Good. What's your name?
Natalie.
Okay, Natalie. Well, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go ahead and detain you. Because we hold on.
No, don't put your hands on me, sir.
Nope.
You're a male. No, you're a male.
Okay.
No, just
you're gonna end up on the ground. Because we're investigating something that happened at Walmart. You're
It's not
gonna
me.
end up at the ground.
No, you're not.
You're gonna end up on the ground.
Yeah, and I'm gonna sue you.
No, wait.
Okay.
So please get your hands off me.
Are you gonna put your hands behind your back?
He's just detaining you.
Are you gonna put your hands behind the back, or are you gonna go on the ground?
I just said I had to go to the bathroom.
I understand
and
that.
then you want to detain me that way I can fight you. Literally, this is on purpose.
You're not gonna fight me.
This is on purpose.
You're gonna go on the ground.
This
or
is
you're
on
gonna
purpose.
Put your hands behind your back.
This
okay?
is being done on purpose.
You are being detained.
And this is on video, correct?
Correct.
Or is it not on?
See that red?
Okay, thank you.
That means it's on. Are you gonna put your hands behind your back?
And your name is?
Deputy Gilliard, 6671, Marion County
Okay,
Sheriff's Office.
and your ID number is?
6671.
No, your actual ID number?
6671.
You have to put her in cuffs to detain her?
No, he does not.
I'm putting her in cuffs to detain her.
He's not supposed to put his hands on me.
Okay.
Where's your supervisor? Can you get him here?
Literally.
Look, I'm trying.
Now, please let me go. You have your hands on me. Let me
You're
go.
gonna put your hands behind your back.
I am
or you're
not.
gonna go on the ground. I don't want to put you on the ground.
You're not gonna put me on the ground.
Bro, come on, bro. She's not even. Is she
She's going in
tense?
cuffs. I need you to step back.
All right.
I am tense.
Okay. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Go ahead and put your hands behind.
As the officers had warned her, the resistance only made things worse, and she truly did not care as the chaos unfolded.
Hands behind your back right now.
Sir.
Right now.
I'm not resisting you. You're not supposed to put your hands on me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sir.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
Sir?
Chill.
Put your hands behind your back.
Chill.
This is dumb.
Listen, I got your back. I told you I did.
This is all.
You're gonna get bail, bro. Please chill. I'm not.
Tell her.
Just chill out. Listen, I got you. I'm gonna bail you out if you need it. All right? Just relax.
Dumb. Beyond it. This is literally put on purpose.
Back up for me.
This is on fucking purpose. Stupid. It's not me. Why don't you ask
She is right.
Why don't
She
you
is
ask
right.
the man about the fucking other lady?
Okay.
She didn't leave with none of that at all.
Nothing. He
block
has
her in
all
the
of it in his fucking hands.
I told you several times to put your hands behind your back.
Sir, and you grabbed me, and legally you're not supposed to. I'm a female and you're a male. It's against the law. I know my rights. I know my constitution. Thank you. I'm not interested.
She didn't do anything.
Step back. Step back. Step back. Everyone, clear 1 to 10. Alright. Go ahead and sit up for me.
Ready?
Yep. We're gonna have resisting.
After successfully placing the woman in handcuffs, she still refused to acknowledge her wrongdoing. Just look at her attitude at that moment.
Detained.
So you match a perfect description of someone who stole stuff at Walmart.
Not me.
Tattoos and all.
The other one.
What other one?
How are they gonna see all my tattoos, sir? Please clarify
It's
that.
called cameras.
Cameras. Okay, so what was the man talking about the whole female that looks like me?
What female?
That I personally know.
That looks nothing like you. You're the only person that matches.
The same woman that's in the same house that a man named Street got arrested at not too long ago?
What are you talking about? I'm talking about today what happened at Walmart.
Walmart today? Nothing happened. I went to see if my friend was out in the parking lot, okay? To see if he left or not. He did not leave. He was walking up as I was walking to the door. I did not walk out with no things. He tried to put me into the room. I said no. He literally tried to push me into the room. That is against the law. I know my role.
What man was that? Was it the short Hispanic dude or the white dude?
It was a Hispanic man.
Alright, what was he wearing? 009.
A blue shirt.
Blue shirt?
Yes. He said, no ma'am, go into the room. It's on security camera. And he literally told me who it was that stole, and he knows it wasn't me.
It seems she only believed in her own fabricated story, even as the officers presented evidence that clearly contradicted her claims.
No, she was following me in the store. Same with the other one. Were they stalking in the store? They were stalking me to set me up for this? Okay, that's what I thought. That. But this is you. Yes, that is me. That is the man that tried to put me in the room. Shake fortune, somewhere about here, buying top milk. And that boy was also following that. What boy? Just the boy in that dove pit. Yes, that birthday is not the same guy as her thing. No, that is not. That's not the same guy. No, it is not. Oh god. Alright, how do you guys figure out this one? Just give me 1 second, okay? If you want to slide her here, so it's more comfortable for them in the hog shop company. Okay. What'd you do? How do you get the move, man? Oh. Are they calling up right now? No, I don't know. What do you boy? Hey, I think they're not. What's your first name, ma'am? Natalie. Natalie. Miss Natalie, I'm giving Ryan's number. I'm taking that with you. So, you'll be able to call him when you get there, okay? And he said he's gonna come bail you out. It'll be probably $100.
Shortly after, officers discovered a foil-wrapped bundle containing crystal-like substances in her possession, and along with her prior criminal history being uncovered, she was charged with resisting an officer, introducing contraband into a detention facility, retail theft, and possession of narcotics. Resisting and lying only deepened her trouble. Accepting responsibility early could have spared her from far more serious charges and consequences.